ever seen a giant panda? They are very interesting animals. In this movie, food, babies, and habitat and appearance will be provided. Do they eat hamburgers? No, but they do eat other things. Giant pandas mainly eat bamboo, but can be found eating the remains of dead animals. When giant pandas are in captivity, they will eat what is given to them, which mainly consists of apples, carrots, milk formula, and panda bread. Instead of bamboo, giant pandas can be found eating other plants as a small meal instead of bamboo, their main food. When first born, baby giant pandas do not look anything like adults. It will take 2 weeks before the normal black and white appear. Before this, they are pink. Some giant pandas will be hunted and killed by leopards and even wild dogs. Warning! Don't get an aquarium for your giant pandas. They're not in houses, not in water, they're in the trees. Giant pandas can be found almost anywhere bamboo thrives, since of course it is their main food. Mentioned in food. They live in the trees. They live mainly here. Sichuan, Gansu, and Shanks. Basic black and white. Or is there possibly more? Giant pandas are black and white. Also, they have round eyes. They have short, stubby, rounded ears. Giant pandas are furry. Have you ever learned about red pandas? They are also called lesser pandas. There's a lot to learn about red pandas, including their food, babies, habitat, and appearance. Red pandas are omnivorous. Even though they eat bamboo, there are other nastier things they eat that I haven't mentioned yet. Red pandas eat roots, which take the place of bamboo, their main food. They also eat small birds and rodents. Now that's nasty. Big but very small. Red panda babies weigh about 150 to 200 grams when first born. The babies are hunted and killed by snow leopards and martens. Red panda babies stay with their mothers for 1.5 years. Where bamboo thrives, they like it. The red panda is active at dawn and dusk. They live in the trees just like giant pandas. In the trees, they live mostly at the top. Red pandas like to live in China and Laos, along with some other places. These places weren't mentioned because they are not commonly found there. Where bamboo thrives, they like it, after all. Red pandas should be called raccoon pandas. The red panda looks a lot like normal raccoons. On the top of their body it's red, but on the bottom appears to be black, including their raccoon-like legs. They have a bushy tail which takes in the same style as raccoons. Their ears are black with white rims which look a lot like giant pandas. Pandas are different even though they are both pandas. That is why I thought it would be best to extrapolate to cover, compare, and contrast the way Venn diagram would display. This of course will have to all be covered in text. So just sit back and get ready for compare and contrast. With, I would like to present the wonders of food. Both the red and giant pandas eat bamboo, but that's where it gets different. The red panda eats small birds and rodents, whereas the giant panda will eat the remains of dead animals. Yuck! The red panda can find a meal in roots, whereas the giant panda can find a meal in almost any plant other than bamboo. Pandas both live in forests, but different forests. The giant panda lives in Sichuan, Gansu, and Shanks forests. The red panda lives in China and Laos forests. The giant panda is more commonly found, but they are both still endangered. Babies! Much of the same thing happened with babies. They are both hunted, though by different animals. They are also small. Of course, all babies, human and panda, are small, so that hardly counts. Habitat up next. Over appearance. This is the last topic. Now there's a lot to cover in this topic. The red panda is black and red. Of course, red. The giant panda is black and white. The red panda has a bushy tail and rounded ears. The giant panda has a stubby black tail and rounded ears. They both have rounded ears. Now do you understand why I said pandas are interesting? They do more than you expected, I bet. Now you know all about these fun furry friends. I hope you learned something about their food, babies, habitat, and appearance. I also hope that this report got you so interested in pandas, giant and red, that you want to plan a quick trip to the zoo to see more and learn more about our endangered friends. You may also want to read more about these pandas and learn some of the things I didn't cover. I hope you enjoyed this report on pandas. Good night.